So as always in Cyprus at this time of year, it's a lovely day today. In fact, by now, it's a lovely evening. So I thought it would be a really nice idea just to take the drone and a couple of pieces of camera equipment out to Amathountos just to film the sunset. That's right, everyone. We're going old-fashioned vlogger mode once again for this episode. So without any further ado, cue the jazz.
Dizzy, 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 dizzy. Oh, and if
So I haven't hiked up this trail in a good 8 or 9 years. What an absolutely beautiful view, and we're still at the bottom. Look at this. How amazing is that?
all are nothing at
I was thinking of cutting through the plants a little bit. However, be very wary that, especially this time of year, snakes do like to hide in the grass. So be aware of that if you're going to come and try to cut through the grass.
half a love never appealed to me. All
Hello.
are nothing at all.
Hello.
Half a love never
Good talking to you.
appealed me.
Good talking to you.
All are nothing at all.
Starting to break a bit of a sweat here, just a tad. Hiking up a hill in 35-degree weather will do that to you, especially when it's about 95% humidity out. Woo! Worth it though. And we have reached the viewpoint. All right, time to break out the Mavic. Now, while most people will know the name Amathus from the hotel on the seafront, what a lot of people don't know is the immense history of the ruins of the ancient town the hotel was named after. The name of the UNESCO World Heritage Site comes from the mother of the ancient city's founder, Adonis. It's most famous in Greek mythology for being the place that Theseus left the pregnant Ariadne to be looked after his battle with the Minotaur. It's also interesting to note that during the excavations, the world's largest vase was found at the ruins, which now sits at the Louvre in Paris. Like, you gotta admit, this is such an unbelievable view. It's gorgeous. There's no other place like it, so close to the town. So I thought we could try heading a little further up now. We're gonna go up there. I haven't put the drone away either, so I look even more ridiculous than before now. But we're going to try heading to the top because I do, regardless of the fact that sunsets in about an hour, it's about 7 p.m. now, I do want to catch a really, really beautiful shot of the sun over the valley. I am going to find a way to do that 100% in this video. Right, what it looks like is that two people have decided to come here and do the same thing as me. Come up to the ruins and take their drone up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little while taking it out and then fly in that direction and let them own the skies in that direction, because from what I can see that drone is quite small, and if mine goes into theirs, both will be damaged, but theirs will be ripped apart. You see that right there is what we're waiting for. Very, very, very soon that sun is going to be below the horizon. And I want to catch that moment very badly. So thanks very much for watching this short video about this absolutely gorgeous area in Cyprus. I really enjoyed making this video, and I enjoy making videos like this in general because it's quite chill, it's quite enjoyable to just come out here and film about with the drone, film about with the camera, and I want you guys to tell me if there's anything else in this beautiful town, in this beautiful country that you want to see on this YouTube channel, please let me know and I will deliver. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.